Good evening, all of you. So last wallpaper completed or started? Completed kada? So first to see the body content. That just matters, sir. Nothing else. The wallpaper perfectly setting and positions are set writing properly or not for testing of that. We need some matter. So I just copy pasted some paragraphs. That's all. It's not a program. But occasionally we use some BR tag here. That's all. Now see the starting of the body. The body tag ID equals to B. It's my ID selector. B is ID selector designed in the top of the program. This is one image and this is the paragraph. So this is total paragraph. All these are paragraph. So a simple code. Once if you observe this code, so this is output. No wallpapers currently. Just a small paragraph I displayed here. Top of that one heading. Here one image is available. It's missing. Okay, heading, a small picture and so many lines of text. And now we are going to applying the before wallpaper. What is the previous options we have? We'll see that one. One is this one, background color. image before, we can set as a background color. The full page comes with the uniform one color, single color. So ID equals to B. Now the total page displaying with one background color, that is this one. The one option, background settings. If single color not interested, sir. Gradient colors also we have. Mixing combinations of colors. Linear gradient and radial gradients and two colors are available. But we have this one. What is the advantage of this, sir? A combinations of colors, sir. Some part of the screen one color it will comes, some part of the screen one color it will comes. On a PowerPoint to slides available. PowerPoint slides background with the different shades of colors are comes. Total slide single color not display. If you select any something special themes, half screen one color, half screen one color, some portion one color, some portion one color, there were combinations of colors possible. A combinations of colors are called as the radiant. The combination of colors are called as the gradient colors. Two types of gradients available, one linear gradient, one is the radial gradient. So background color to this one, what is the difference, sir? Background color, full screen, single color. In gradient colors, combinations of colors we can set it. House are combinations of colors. T-shirt style. So upper blue, next to blue, dark blue, next to maroon, again yellow. A pattern wise is available. Like that we can set the patterns of colors and what. Now the single color, my shirt. So that is this one. Who are not interested to go for the single color, so those candidates you can go for the multi-colors like this. Background followed by linear gradient followed by the direction of the color to apply followed by which colors you want to apply. Minimum two colors, maximum your interest. Minimum two colors and maximum is your interest. Any number of colors we can apply. Linear gradient. Gradient means mixer. Gradient means mixer. So this is the direction to apply. Two left to, two right to, two top to, two bottom. Total four directions. Towards to left to, towards to right to, towards to upper and towards to niche. These are the four directions. And which colors you want to apply, sir? A color selection is your process, your choice. Now the full screen will get with these linear gradients with the two colors combination like this. So some part of the screen blue and some part of the screen magenta. Middle blue magenta mixing shade is available. Middle part. This middle part mixing shade. 10 centimeters. This is complete blue. This is complete pink. The gradient colors combination specialization. Why blue pink it will come, sir? Because I selected that colors only. What are the colors I mentioned here? There only it will comes. I need one more color, sir. Okay, I'm taking some yellow also mixing. But screen is sharing by the three colors. Three colors are sharing the screen. Yellow, blue and magenta. First why it will comes yellow, sir. That's your direction, sir. I applied the direction towards to left direction. Towards to left direction means starting point, right side starting. Man float attribute remember, float. At left side, if I given all left side comes automatically. Yeah? No, starting from right side, moving towards to the left side. When I'm giving the right side, sir, starting from the left side, moving towards to the left side. Like that, this is also. First color right side it comes, last color left side it will comes. And now change the order also, we'll get an idea, see that. Towards to right side. Colors order changed. Towards to top also available. Same color, so horizontally it will comes. Same color, so horizontally it will comes. Now towards to bottom, sir. Towards to bottom. So how many colors I can take like this, sir? Your interest, sir. It is second option for backgrounds. Not only body, I already yesterday explained. Remember that we can apply for any block level tags. For all block level tags, these settings are applicable. No problem. So single color interested candidates go to the single color. Multiple colors interested candidates go to this one. You have one more option. What is that, sir? The linear gather, that is radial gradient. Radial gradients. At oval shapes, circle shapes, your colors are applied. So radial gradient, direction not available, just colors available. So what it is applying the shapes are, oval shape is comes. Shape displaying a oval, anda. Mana is this one. Clearly visible, sir. A blue color observe, will get the oval shape or not. But oval shape, if I'm not interested, sir. Second one, circle shape is available. Oval shape by default. Oval under that is called ellipse. Ellipse shape. Ellipse not interested. Circle is the another option. So that these are the two shapes it is supported. Mute. Yeah, mute. No mute, sir. Linear gradient, radial gradient, shapes, directions. Otherwise, a single color. Your choice. Colors I don't want, sir. I need images, sir. Then go for the wallpaper settings. So interested candidates, you can go for colors like this. Otherwise, the last option, images. So which image you want to set? Write that image name. Some a.jpg. Some flower it is displaying. Oh, so why the flower is repeated, sir? Remember the gap. Whenever the gap is available, in that gap, the same image is repeating one more time. Like that until to fulfill the complete space, any number of times images are going to repeating. So yesterday, I think 6 times or 7 times a repeated image. I think it's a small image. This is something bigger image. That's why just 4 times it is repeating. The original and default settings of the wallpaper. Default settings all are. We just choose here which wallpaper we have to set it. That's all. And now the corresponding settings, sir. But a wallpaper repetitions I don't want, sir. Wallpaper I don't want to repeat it. Just display the wallpaper only once. Possible, sir? Yes, sir. Background repeat one option is available. Background repeat one option is there. Background repeat, no repeat. It don't repeat the image. Or what happens, sir? Your wallpaper displaying only once. Where it is displaying that one, sir? The top left corner it is displaying. The default location is top left corner. It is displaying your picture without repetitions. But without repetitions, into some gap is forming, sir. Obviously. In that gap, sir, in that gap, what your actual white color background is going to display. If image non-repeated areas, compulsory gap is producing. In that gap, it is going to displaying your background color, white.
So suppose if you already applied the background color, what happens? A white color plays your background color display. Suppose if you already implemented the background color settings, instead of white color, it is going to displaying the black color, your given background color. Even the radial colors also you can use here. So whenever the gap comes between the image and your web page, gaps of background colors are going to display. Then no repeat. If I want to repeat it, sir, if you want to repeat it, write the both. Now image repeating in the both directions. That is a default option. Repeat in the x-axis, repeat also in the y-axis. Means repeat horizontal and repeat vertically also. Next, I want to repeat only horizontally only, sir. Or you can write repeat x. Repeat the images in x-axis only. Repeat the image in x-axis only. Horizontally repeating like this. Bottom we have the gap. Next, repeat only y-axis. Repeat y. So this is repeating y-axis. Repeat in both directions. Repeat only horizontally. Repeat only vertically, and don't repeat. These are the total 4 options what I explained. Next one, position, sir. Next one is position. So I don't want to repeat the image finally. Now the default location of the wallpaper is left top corner. Left top corner. I want to change the position of this image, sir. That side or bottom or this corner or that corner or something. So for that, background position is available. Background position. So I'm writing background position center, sir. Actually center means center. Horizontally center, vertically center. Previously we used center attribute so many cases. Remember about how it is displaying center vertically or horizontally or both? Previously so many scenarios I used the align equals to center, align equals to center. It displaying horizontally only center, vertically only, or both directions? Only horizontally displaying because single center we use it. But now I'm using the 2 centers, one horizontally and one for the vertical operations. This is horizontally it is displaying the center, and also vertically also it is displaying the center. In any corner, if you take that one, small same space is available. Like that, how many alignments we have, sir? Position equals to left, position equals to right, position equals to top, position equals to bottom, position equals to center, position equals to top left, position equals to top left and left top, position equals to left center, position equals to left bottom, position equals to right top, position equals to right center, position equals to right bottom, position equals to top center, position equals to center, position equals to center bottom. These number of alignments are available. Anybody, can you repeat? What are the list I given? Approximately how many positions I pronounced? 16 positions I said. 16 total. Possible, sir. Previously we know only 3, 4 only left to right to center, sir. Yes, sir. That is different situation. This is different situation. So now I'm going to writing like this here. Position equals to left top, sir. The actual position, original setting. Left top I already said, that is the default setting. Now position equals to left bottom, sir. Left side bottom it will comes. edge of the web page. The left to bottom. The left to bottom. For your appearance, I just apply the zoom out. Next to this ones are right top. This corner it will comes. Right top. Position equals to top center, sir. Top of the browser plus center of the browser. Top plus center. So like that, variety combinations we can see, sir. So center, that one. Middle of the web page, it will comes exactly. Next, size, sir. Background size. Actually, my web page size different. My background wallpaper size is different. That's why some gaps are forming. So I want to fill that gap, sir. We have some different options, sir. What are the size you are expecting? That size we can write it directly. Suppose I need some 800 pixels. My wallpaper size. This is wallpaper size, not image size. 800 pixels width to 500 pixels height, sir. And close this. As per your given measurement, image go into existing. And almost same size available now. We'll increase that one. So customization of the wallpaper. These sizes I don't want, sir. I need to full screen, sir. Now, how much my web page available, that much of screen I want to get my wallpaper, sir. So for that, one option is width is 100%, height is 100%. So what is your web page? Almost the same page comes here like this. Your web page how much available, that much of the same image expanding. Or your web page size is lesser than the images are. The image is going to compressing. Expanding the image and as well as the compressing the image also. This is the actual appearance of the page. There is no gaps. And any repetition? No repetitions and no gaps. Next one, this is our own sizes, customization. One option is available, that is the default option, auto. Auto is the default option. Default option. Original size of the image displaying. It's not going to existing anything. Actually, it will comes in the left side, sir. Center effect is available. Size equals to, when you write the auto, it will comes like this. Next, size equals to one more option, cover available, sir. It covers your total web page. It covers your total web page. If you observe that one, the image adjustment, small problem is there. What is the problem, sir? A little bit of image is going to reduce it actually. See this one. So 100% and this one, what is the difference, sir? Compared to 100%, here some small slight set differences available, sir. The difference is 100% scenario. What happens are your web page, how much available, that much only your wallpaper setting. The web page designing, how much available, that much if area only it is going to setting the wallpaper. But in cover case, what happens are your web document starting point to web document ending point to full is going to covering. But sometimes the white color area or web document, you know that very well. But white color area, half data only available, sir. Up to white color area, half of the area only data available. But what happens, sir? A white color area is your web document. But half, up to half only the data is there, sir. But your web page ending half or ending? Half only, because there your HTML tag is closing, your body tag is also closing. So how much lines of data you are going to printing, there your page is ending. Your page is going to ending here. But a page document variation is this one. But see this one. For your convenience, I am reducing the size here. But my page, how much lines data is available, sir? Up to half of the line only, half of the screen only. But wallpaper is comes full page. But if I write the 100%, sir, up to that half only wallpaper is comes. The last line of the paragraph is there, na? Up to this line only wallpaper it will comes. Bottom of that one wallpaper not comes. So 100%, it depends upon your content occupation area. How much area your data is occupying, that much of area fully I am displaying the screen. Data non-occupation area like this, I am not going to displaying any wallpaper. No, sir, the full browser, I want to fill the page, sir. Then you can go for the cover. Then normally if you see like that, sir, you can't identify the difference, sir. When you are seeing like that, both are look like as same only. Because see this one. So you can write your own size, or you can set as a full screen, or you can set as a auto, or you can also set as a covers also. Cover auto default options and inbuilt options. Our own size 100% to programmer's own intention. Next one, size removing the wallpaper. Now when I'm scrolling my page, my data scrolling, along with my data, wallpaper is also scrolling. But I don't want to scroll the wallpaper, sir. Only content I want to scroll it, sir. Example, మన WhatsApp is there kada. When you are scrolling here, what happening? Messages scrolling kada. A background picture not scrolling. So I need that type of settings, sir. So for that background attachment is one option available. Background attachment. Background attachment, two options available. One is the scroll, the default option. Second one is the fixed. Scroll is the default option. Your content is scrolling, a wallpaper also scrolling. We just watch it also. That one I am changing into fixed position, sir. Now see. Scroll that screen. Wallpaper stably available. Your content is going to moving to top to bottom, bottom to top, as well as the left to right to left also. But that is staying stable in the same place. So attach the background in the fixed position, or attach the background to the scrollable area. The defaults are you don't need to write it. Writing like this is a meaningless operation. Reasons are if you remove this option also, already the same is available. For that again typing the code, assigning the value, doesn't matter. This is the thing. So wallpaper related settings are these. Next one, here we set the wallpaper or we assign the wallpaper for the entire page, sir. Yes, but I don't want the total page, sir. I need the particular tag only, sir. Tag, paragraph or heading or something available. So for that only I want to set the wallpaper. Yes, they are possible. That is not a problem. Take any of the paragraph here. So this paragraph I'm closing here, and fresh paragraph I'm going to opening. So the middle one paragraph is available. One license copy something something. I mean, once we'll check it this. I think this is the paragraph. So for this paragraph only, I want to set the wallpaper, sir. Sure. So hash p background so take any other image. Something a.png. So one ID selector I created here. In that ID selector, I applied the background image a.png. Now this ID selector, I'm going to mapping to my one of the paragraph tag. This is. How much area your paragraph is occupied, that much of area you got the image. But why the so many images come, sir? Actually, this much of size image, sir. That's why repeated. Actually, our bulleting style anukunta maybe very small sizes, so n number of copies it is prepared. So our concept applying a nata. That's all. Otherwise, go to here, apply the b.png. b.png. Four lines or paragraph. The background, some picture is going to display. So whenever your wallpaper is displaying, a background flower is not displaying. Observe that one. Why, sir? The actual wallpaper, this is your paragraph wallpaper. Overlapping is compulsory because top of that component we are displaying the data. Without overlapping, any chance is there, sir? Side by side print it. If you print the side by side, overlapping, no chance here. The best optional. One special option is available, sir. Opacity. So what is the use of this opacity, sir? Applying the transparency levels. Opacity used for applying of the transparent levels or transparency levels. So 0.57 I applied. But this transparency levels applying on whom, sir? This b.png is available. For this wallpaper, it is applying the transparency concept. But what happening, sir? If b.png backside flower image available, that also we can see. b.backside flower image available. So that also we are able to see that one. And what is the 0.7, sir? Before that, opacity minimum value is 0, maximum value is 1. opacity, applying for the transparency or transparent. Mana glasses style or window glasses available. Na? So we can set the transparency for the glasses. If you want to see the detail and crystal clear, sir, 100% transparent glasses, Crizal, Super Unde, Leather Saint Gobain. No, sir, something light, I want to see it, sir. Go for non-transparently glasses. So transparency levels, we can set it. Best example, our car windows, sir. Car glasses available. As per the government rules now, we have to go for 100% transparency. But recently somebody, they closed with the full black film. And last 3-4 days onwards, polices are full riding and removing the fillings and writing the fines also. Last 3 days onwards. The VIP car or whatever it may be. Stopping, removing the films and a fine. The government rules actually. So somebody internal who are available without visibility, they are going to closing completely black film. The non-transparency mode. Somebody what they are doing, sir, not fully transparent, not completely transparent. It is safety for police people, sir. The police people, they are seeing visible normally. So some customers what they are doing 30% transparency film, 40% transparency film they are using. I am using 40% transparency film. Police people, they stopped also, no problem, normally visible. But we have some protection of the sunlight is available. Some visibility it is going to stopping, crystal clear visibility is not able. Fully blocking is rule. Partially blocking is not a problem. Percentages we have to. So if you go for the stickering shop, they are asking how much percentage you require, sir. 0.3 or 0.4 or 0.5. And a stickering shop person is asking clearly. If you set the amount to as per that film choosing and sticking on that glasses also. So the minimum is 0, maximum is 100, 1 no. That is nothing but an 0 to 100 percentage. Can I write the 2, 4, 5, sir? No chance, sir. Compulsory or value between the 0 to 1 only. So the 0.7 I mentioned what is meaning, sir? 70% transparent, sir. No, not 70% transparent, 30% transparent. They were given value, system doing like this, 1 minus your given value. So what is the result is comes, that much of transparency it is going to apply. Your amount directly not applying. 1 minus your given value. A difference is your transparency levels. So if I write the 0, sir, 1 minus 0, how much? 1 no. And a full transparent, 100% crystal clear. If I write the 1, sir, the regular format, no transparency, like as your wall. Nothing is visible. The balance ratios. Now backside flowers is visible slightly or little bit. Observe that one. Through your paragraph, backside of flowers greenery is visible. Visible. Observe your problem observation. It's clearly visible to me. Huh? A white color, black color, U shapes coming other, that is actually your wallpaper. Now, so if you see that through that wallpaper, a background green leaves or sticks are going to be visible clearly. Not much more clearly, lightly. Visible or not? I think your personal, sir. It's me, visible clearly. Very less percentage together, maybe not visible, 30 and is 70% transparency. Almost your wallpaper shade out, almost, because 70% you are using transparency. Your image also available. At the same time, background greenery is also displaying. Our data is also there. Data is never goes to anywhere. Your image gone. Your data is also gone. Data plus gone, both are gone. Why, sir? Full transparency. So wallpapers and wallpaper transparency options. And the next one is some text formatting options are available, sir. Some text formatting options are available. The font settings, so text settings like that. In that, some one or two options we know already, and some more options available. Those also I'm going to covering. First, I'm displaying some couple of paragraphs. So this is a simple paragraph. So by default, every tag, they have their own size. Tag to tag sizes are going to varying. By default, every tag, they have their own background color and their own foreground color is also available. Size, they have own size, background colors not discussing currently, sizes. And every tag is displaying the data, their own font family also. Browser's intention. So font style available by default, font size available by default, and font family is also available. Font family 90% same using by the tags, but font sizes are different. Tag to tag size is going to varying always, but font family is the same only. Maximum tags the same font family they are going to use. But heading 1 tag size, heading 2 tag size same. H1 tag size, H2 tag size same. No, but lettering style size different, but style of writing is same. A same model, all tags are following. Paragraphs, labels, spans, tables, division tags, anchor tags, everything following the same writing style. But difference is variation sizes. These I want to make the changes, sir. So first one, font size. We know very well, so many cases we use it. We'll go for some 22 pixels. So paragraph size is going to increasing to 22 pixels. Size increased. Actually, that much of size not comes. Next one, font style. Online students, don't raise the hand. If you have anything, drop in chat box message. It is creating disturbances to screen, sir. Why you are raising hand? What is the use? Question available, doubt available. You have anything, drop in the chat box. That's all. Don't raise the hand, please. Creating disturbance on the screen. So many. Doubt or question, if anything is available, drop in chat box. No use the hand raising. Why you are raising hand, I don't know. Your question also I cannot understand. Use the chat box. Next one is the font style. This is setting of the size of the text and this is the setting of the style of this text. What is the style, sir? Two styles available. One is italic, second one is normal. So one option is normal, second option is italic. This is the style of the font. Go for any of this style. By default, normal available. By default, normal available. That one we can change to italic. So italic applied. Bending, sir. Mana em tag is there na HTML. Em tag alternative this one. Next one, font weight available. Font weight. Here also we have the two settings, sir. One is the normal, second one is the bold. Normal is the regular format. So if you are interested, you can go for the bold. Normal regular format. If you are interested, you can go for the bold. Alternative for the B tag, bold tag. Next one, font family. This is the font family. So in font family, of font writing styles available na Arial, Comic Sans, Times New Roman, Sans Serif. Mana Windows font settings available ga sir. Our font settings lo first box what? Arial, Tahoma, Times New Roman, Comic Sans, Sans Serif, 40, something, 100 to 150 models are available. Windows operating system, in any software we have these things. So models, which models you are present the data, copy some couple of names and write here. Always choose the more than one font family. Reasons are browser compatibility problems are available. Suppose I mention Arial here, suppose my browser supporting Arial. So I'll get the output in Arial. Other browser, if Arial not supported, sir, our browser's own style is going on. That browser's own style is going on. So that's why give the second choice. So model 1, model 2, model 3, model 4, like that couple of models we can write it. So setching orders are, setching order always left to right. The first I mentioned some A font to B font to C font to D font families are total 4 families I mentioned here. But browser, which one is going to choosing, sir? First it is checking A is compatible to me or not. But I am supporting A na not. Yes, I am supporting A. Then what happens, sir? It directly displays the output with the A font family. Because first one compatible for me, why I have to check the second one? Time waste. So it displaying the data with A style. By chance A is not compatible to browser, not supported by the browser, sir. Second chance B for model. B font family supporting yes, I am supporting. Then I'm printing output in B model. Like that, left to right, it is going to searching one by one. In that process, which one is first one matching to your browser configuration, that one it will comes. If all are supported, my browsers are, already I said you are the left to right. All are supported your browser also, but I already said the order left to right. But which one is support comes final output? B. Yes, I mean, all are supported by my browser. So final output comes with A only, obviously. But by chance, these all 4 models not supported, sir. Again, default concept. But the 4 models also browser not supported, your guessing is wrong. Our way of thinking is wrong. 4 choices we given to browser, but you are saying all are wrong answers only. The matter. So I'm writing some couple of names here. On Edit Plus also we have the font settings here. The font models are available. See this one. So variety models available. Which one you like, go to finally 1 or 2 selections like this. So I'm taking something Comic Sense MS. Use the single quotations sir, because of the multiple words kada. Single font name but multiple words available, so compulsory single quotations. Comma, second one 14. Two models I given. Actually my browser supports the both models, but final output is comes in Comic Sense. మన కామిక్ లెటర్స్ రైటింగ్ కదా, దట్ స్టైల్ అది. బై ఛాన్స్ ఇప్పుడు కామిక్ సెన్స్ ఇఫ్ ఐ రిమూవ్ సార్, then automatically output is comes with this 40. So this is font to family option. Next one, letter spacing. Text formatting settings, a continuation. Letter spacing. So what is this letter spacing, sir? When you are printing the data one here like this, what is the gap between the first character to second character? Edit plus available, total 8 alphabets available. What is the gap between the one alphabet to another alphabet? No gap. There is no gap. Both are comes like this. We don't have any gap between the one letter to another letter. So I want to display the data with a little bit of spaces, spaciously, because the gaps required between every of letter after or every character after I need the gap. Like we can give the space also, sir. How many spaces you are typing, sir? But in paragraph, how many lines available? 6 levels. Go into every letter, space, 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 space. That's one paragraph. If you design the full page, possible? No. So automatically we can produce the gap between these two. That is called as the letter spacing. So while typing of the data, we are not giving any space, but after applying the property, we'll get the space. Throughout the page, it is going to applying, sir, that one. So how many pixels the space you require? Just write the pixels. 3 pixels are required, sir. Positive value if you are given a space increasing. Negative value if you are given a space reducing. The default gap is 0. One letter to another letter, default gap is 0. 0 above the letters getting freely. 0 below na letters comes like this. On a passenger trains we are sitting like this together. Our shoulder touching, shoulder sometimes overlapping also like this. RTC buses, so even ordinary buses. This at 3 seating capacity available together. Seat available. Like me 3 persons possible also. 2% seat full. See the body. Huh? So 2 persons they sit properly, sir. We are sitting like this anamata. Inga third person sitting at here only. So ordinary bus sittings in negative measurements both are same only. The overlapping of the data. Now observe the data. Gap is there, sir. Yes, 3 pixels gap available. Huh? Clearly visible gap. 5 lines. 5 lines, if you observe anywhere, gap is neatly visible. Sir, you are never seeing the data like this past in your programming life, this much of spacious letters. ఇది మన సినిమా థియేటర్ సిట్టింగ్ స్టైల్ అన్నమాట. నో షోల్డర్ టచింగ్, నో ఓవర్లాపింగ్ అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ ఈ టైపింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అబ్జర్వ్డ్, ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ అబ్జర్వ్డ్. ఓకే, యువర్ ఐస్ not identifying that one. I'll increase the gap. Previously also available, so gap. Not only now, previously also we have the gap. Curry leaf is there na, karvepaku. Try to take more. But clearly visible. Karvepaku manchidi kada sa eyes ki. Now I'm reducing the space, sir. Oh, -2 pixels I'm writing. So almost one letter shoulder touching to another letter shoulders. మన passenger train RTC bus sitting style అన్నమాట. Observe the letters how much closely they are sitting. This is the letter spacing. So the freely displaying of the data. Next is same way word spacing available. Same thing word spacing also. After every word I need some space, sir. Actually after every word we have one space manually here. See this one. But a manual single space not enough for me. I need some more gap. One option, sir, go for every word, give the extra gap like this. But like this throughout the web page. Throughout the web page, go into every word, typing the space. Next holy also comes. So that's why what to do, sir. Go for the special attribute. Word spacing of 10 pixels I am taking here. Observe gap between the one word to another word. So freely comes the data. The next one, line height, height of the line. But once observe the previous output, but actually we don't have any specific gap between the line to line. No gap. First line is coming like this, second line is forming like this. Third line, exactly was sitting order. Is there any specific gap between the one row to another row? No, additional gap not available. The nominal gap, that is a default gap, just your footrest purpose. So I don't need this one, sir. I need some more gap between the one row to another row. So for that we have the line height. When you increase the height of the line, sir, automatically gap is also increasing. So line height to 30 pixels I am taking, sir. Previously not much more difference, but now difference observed. A blue color clearly saying 2 minutes back when I selected all the lines, a single blue color box is comes. Not observed. But now single blue box not available. 6 blue boxes are there. Ames are not interested. Explanation is not interested. A gap observed ante no idea. Transparency watching ante no idea. Single box of 5 box ante no idea. Okay. We'll start JavaScript. You are not interested kada? Anything if I'm asking, idega response. Transparent started first point. Transparent onwards a continuation, a confusion continuation. And not confusion, sorry, observation problem continuation. 2 minutes back already a paragraph I selected. Yes, that time total data is displaying as a single blue color. For observations required, sir. Time pass I'm showing a screen. Then I'll do one thing. I'll switch off the screen and I'll explain it. Okay, kada. But the screen you are not watching, kada. Asara is completely mobile. Continuously. Aim, sir. I observed. Why coming to class? It was something ready your name. Correct? I'll try to remember. Busy with mobile. Listening Narendra Modi. Next one. Text to transform is there. One more option. Text to transform. Changing the case of the text. Upper case, lower case, capitalized case is available. So converting the data from one case to another case. For that, text transform option is available. Generally, our tags are long back we worked with input tags, user interfaces. In which case they are going to display the data small letters or capital letters? Small, sure. Output capital letters coming in. I capital letter, S capital letter, A capital letter. You said small letters, but here it is getting output in capital letters. Program. This program. Small letters and how can say? How you type it, sir? That one it's showing a right answer. Small letters right answer. If you type in capital letters, output comes in capital letters. If you type in small letters, output comes in small letters. If you type in mixed case, output comes in mixed case. But what is answer? As per typing. The HTML tags displaying the same style. In even your text boxes, password boxes there also. If you type the small letters, boxes also displaying the small letters. If you type the capital letters, boxes also displaying the capital letters. But now my intention is programmer or user, both. If they type it in any manner, any case, but finally I want to get the output in single format. For that, text transform option is going to. But if you given the data in capital letters, are you given the data in small letters, are you given the data in mixed format? But finally, all this data converted into your given case. So that is text transform. None by default option. Text transform equals to none, means as usual. As is, how you typed, as is it will comes to the screen. I don't want none, sir. Then go for uppercase. Now see the output. What happened? The total data is converts into capital letters. With Java, Oracle, two uppercase function available. Two uppercase and one method is there. Gada. Java, .NET, Oracle. On C language, str, upr is there. Okay, this is conversion method and matter. So every language we have one conversion method. That method is called as generally string method. But C language I have string like this, sir. I want to convert into something uppercase, sir. For that str upr function is there in string.h header file. Str upr string uppercase in C language. So if you are given your data here, the data completely converts into uppercase and returns that one. Like that lowercase str lwr is available. Then write your data here. Similarly, in Java.NET to 2 uppercase U capital letter and 2 lowercase is available, the conversion functions. There is Java.NET candidates methods. String methods we are calling this. Same conversion set. Oracle also we have the same type of functions are uppercase, not 2, just uppercase, lowercase. The data conversion is the common thing in our programming languages. Actually, we have to write our own logic, but softwares are supporting with predefined functions. But this also they are not provided this one what to do, sir. JavaScript required, coding required, compulsory. But luckily we have CSS option. Then what about the lowercase, sir? Oh, right here lowercase. All letters are small. E, I, S, A is also small. Actually, those are the capital letters, but it becomes as a small letters. Next one, capitalized case. Capitalized case and this is already capitalized case. First letter of every word is a capital letter. That is called as capitalized case, also called as title case. Your point of view, camel case is something you are using, I think. But original word is the capitalized case. This is already capitalized case. If I convert also same output, it will comes. Actually, paragraph tag is performing this operation. Now the same thing I'm going to apply into one text box also. See that one. One text box. Input type equals to text. ID name, everything is common. What is the purpose of this text box, sir? Enter the full name. Enter the full name. On application forms, enter the full name available. But there we have to write capitals or smalls. Capitals, smalls not accepted. Small if you write it, your application. Throwing. Government is the conform rule. They're clearly mentioning that your name should be in the black letters and clearly mentioned there. By mistake, if you write the small letters, application rejected. So the online application forms are, suppose what happening ante for our safety programmer already writing code internally. By chance user typed in small letters also should be displayed in the capital letters one. A text transform they are going to applying here. That's all. So when you are typing anything in the text box, automatically it comes in capital letters only. I'm writing small letters. I'm typing small letters. Small a I'm typing. Still small a I'm typing. That automatically comes in capital letters. Now I'm typing capital letters, sir. As usual, capitals. I'm typing in small letters. So these are the sum of text formatting settings. Font size, font family, font weight, font letter spacing, word spacing, line height to text transforms. All are data formatting CSS settings only, purely. The next one is margins. The next concept is margins. Margins also previously we have never used, sir, in HTML concept also. So that's the first time I'm going to explaining that margins. So how many margins we have, sir? First of all, what is the margin, sir? Margin is nothing but a gap between the one HTML tag to another HTML tag. It's not the gap between the data to data. Data to data gap, that setting is different. Tag to tag gap different. Data tag both same as sir. But block level tags available. Data tag same size. Block level tags, data size, tag size same. Huh? No, data is one corner it will comes, but tag this corner to that corner and this much of height is available. So margins for tags, not for data. It matter. But somebody they are calculating data to data calculating, sir. Adi matter. Your tag border is available. Tag edge is available. From the tag edge to you have to calculate the another tag edge. Tag sometimes is starting from here, but data available from here. 100% chance is there. Tag available here, data is available here. So you can't start from the middle. You have to start from this point and this point, this point. So how many margins we have, sir? 4 margins available. Actually 4 margins available. So margin left, one option, margin right, margin top, margin bottom. 4 sides gap, sir. 4 margins, so 4 sides gap. So around my component, I want to provide the gaps. So we are going to using like this. Left side margin of my tag, right side margin of my tag, top side margin of my tag, bottom side margin of my tag. 4 margins. Measurements as per your interest, we can give it. But 4 margins, if you want to apply individually, we have to write like this. If is there any shortcut, sir? Yes, sir. Instead of writing the 4 times margin, we can write just margin. Just margin is available. Same 4 things what it is doing, this also doing the same thing. One small indication to you, sir. In CSS, any single word, it will comes like this, sir. Margin, padding, color, like this. Those are the shortcuts of the other attributes. Today's first example also background available. Na? That you can go for the shortcut as a background. We know already this background. So write the background followed by your image name, image URL. Next repetition or not repetition. Next position, and next size, next attachment, and close this. Instead of writing the 5 attributes in 5 lines, we can go for the shortcut. Background hyphen image, background hyphen color, background hyphen something, background hyphen something. Instead of that, this is the shortcut. Like that, margin 4, we can go for single. So many scenarios comes in HTML and CSS. We know border. Actually, border is the shortcut. How, sir? Because same concept available. Original attributes these, sir. Border left, border right, border top, border bottom. But instead of writing the 4 times, we are followed always border. When you are applying the border, 4 corners border is coming up, 1 corner coming up. This is actual meaning. I need the border 4 corners. Instead of writing the 4 individual statements, the shortcut is border. Doesn't matter. I need the margins, the 4 corners. Instead of writing the 4 steps, so shortcut is margin. So I need the image and image all the settings, sir. Instead of 5 times 6 times writing, just simply go for the background. That's all. The wallpaper. Today's explanation. But while we are writing the margin, we don't know the options, sir. The first which one it takes, next which one it will take, sir. Margins we have to write the 4, sir. Because if 4 lines is the shortcut, so 4 margins you have to specify. Suppose if I write only n pixels, what happens, sir? Same pixels, 4 corners it is applying. Same size, it is applying the all 4 corners for 4 sides. Same measurement applying the 4 sides. The matter. Long back radius concept, you remember a border radius. Are you given 1 radius or 4 radiuses? 1A, but it is applying 4 corners. Like that, here also margin I given only 1 margin and it is applying the 4 sides. My left side n, my top side n pixel, bottom side n pixel, right side also n pixel. That is okay, sir. But 4 sides I need 4 variety sizes, sir. And 4 different sizes required. At that time you can follow this concept. On a wall clock rotation system is there, na? Wall clock rotation system starts from starts from top, next right, next bottom, next left. Follow that one. First write the top margin, next write the right margin, next bottom margin, next left margin, and close this. Just wall clock direction. The shortcuts scenarios always wall clock direction follow it, sir. Whenever you are preferring the shortcuts, in all the scenarios, wall clock indicator moving direction we are following. But 4 sides, 4 variety margins. This one 4 sides, same margin. Why the risk? We can go for individually, but code increasing. Next, before applying the margins, we have to make a small setting, sir. Directly margins applying is not correct, sir. First, we have to make the small setting. So what is that setting, sir? Position. First apply the position setting, then go for the margins. So position equals to so many is there, but most popular is the absolute position and relative position. Position equals to absolute and position equals to relative. It is interlinked to your margins concept. First set the position, then apply the margins. Suppose I am saying the margin equals to 10 pixels, sir. For 10 pixels, from where it is calculating the browser? Top of the browser, previous component, left side of the browser, we don't know. That is decided based on this one. That is decided based on the position. So position absolute available, one type of measurement stay. Measurement same hai, a measurement calculation point changing. Position relative is available, another type of measurement. So 10 pixels hai, both scenarios 10 pixels hai, but 10 pixels counting point is starting. So if I go for the absolute, what happens, sir? Position equals to absolute and then I given some measurements, sir. But what happens? It is calculating your measurements, margin measurements from your container edge. Not browser starting, sir, container edge. Generally, most of the scenarios we are using the main tags, the subtags. The main tag is called as the container tag. The main tag starting point available, edging. From this edge onwards, the calculations are going to starting. I am not subtag of any tag, sir. Suppose last example. In the last example, P is the subtag of no other tags separately. So unofficially it is a body tag subtag. Now it is calculating from the body edge. Body edge and generally your browser starting point. Because here we don't have any containers. Suppose if I take the division tag here, sir, if I apply the margins, sir, division tag starting point it is calculating, not for your browser starting point. Because paragraph where it is available? Inside the division tag is available. So paragraph margins are calculated from the division tag border. Division tag of border point available. From there onwards it is calculating. It's always not calculating from the browser starting point. The matter. So what is the use to use these margins, sir? I'll explain, sir, that one also. Let me finish this one. Absolute meaning is this. If you don't have any special container, your container is body tag. So body edge onwards, it is going to starting the calculation. Body edge means what, sir? A white color. The body edge means a top white color is there now, bottom of your URL bar. From there onwards, every tag measurements are going to starting. Every tag, not first tag. How many tags you design? Each and every tag is starting the measurements from this point. I'll draw. Then what about the relative, sir? Relative scenarios, it is calculating from the your nearest tag. your nearest tag, not starting of the container, not starting of the web page. So I given position equals to relative, 10 pixels common. But 10 pixels are calculated from the your nearest tag. And your before something tag is available, the tag edge onwards, it is calculating the 10 pixels. Nearest tag and no idea, na? But this madam available, sir, that person available, that person nearest and me only. I am the first component because this is the page starting. So faculty is the first person here. First student to faculty gap is there, na? This gap is called as relative. But that person sitting point is calculated from the my chair, not from this wall. No, sir, I want to calculate from this wall, sir. But you have to go for absolute. Absolute should from here, relative from here, this point. Mathematics lo never used a relative absolute positions. The math terminology. Absolute is always calculated from the starting point. Relative is always calculated from the previous point. Forum as a my maths sir explained this. Yes, sir, my maths sir is explained. Name is Mr. MSSV Murthy sir. We are calling simply and sweetly Murthy sir, and we are calling in my school days. Government Municipal High School. So in that my class teacher Murthy sir, my maths teacher also Murthy sir only. Extremely explaining mathematics. So relative, absolute, both are the mathematics related. But you all the different tags who are sitting, online students, get offline students, somebody sitting and sleeping. For those I am explaining. Wall is your web page point. 4 walls is your web page. But you all the different tags. Your gap available here from here. But first student I said the 50-50 gap, sir. The first student calculated from this corner. Second student 60-60 I said, sir. From here to 60-60. Third student 100-100 I said, sir. From this point to 100-100. Every student measurement at distance calculated from this point only. That is called as absolute. But relatives are same measurements. Say. First student to 50-50, second student to 60-60 measurement. But first student calculating from this point. Because that is the first tag. Previously we don't have any tag. So web page is starting onwards, I am calculating. Sitting in the 50-50 coordinate. Second student what I said, 60-60 I said. But a 60-60 calculating from the first student chair. Where the first student is sitting, from there onwards 60-60 and so much distance is moving. But starting onwards, how much distance? 110 now. Because it's already 50-50 the first one. First one to second to 60-60. So second student to starting of your web page, 110 it will comes. But a 110 not countable. You have to count from this one. But third student measurement calculated from the second student. And your previous tag is already placed in somewhere on the web page. From that tag edge onwards, my position is going to calculating. For graph sheet while designing, you are following absolute or relative? Always absolute. Graph sheet is completely absolute. No. Because a center point onwards, every point you are pointing from the center 0,0 only. Relative not available. Suppose in the graph sheet relative available, sir. First point we already marked. From there onwards, second point measurement is calculating. Not from the 0 to 0. With 2 type of measurements. But both are calculated from your containers only. Remember that one. If there is no containers, automatically from the body tags. Containers available, your containers compulsory influence available. So set this position and then go for this. Now finally, what is the use of this margin, sir? Why this much of discussion, sir? If you want to display any HTML element or component in the particular place of the web page, a margins compulsory, sir. Margin compulsory. Me assignments also, if you observe that one, actually margins required. Because one image on left side is available, one image on top side available, one image on left side available. If you print normally, sir, these positions not come. Side by side it will comes. But exactly the particular position is not possible. A particular location, if you want to display it, sir, margins is the mandatory concept. But Facebook, observe login page. But why this box comes exactly in this place only, sir? Margin. If Facebook image, how it is displaying exactly in the place only, sir? Margins only. Got a green box. Box.
The box also margins concept. Margins they implemented their background. So any component is displaying in the particular area, compulsory margins. Okay, balance things we'll see in tomorrow's session. Thank you all.